here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Signs of spring everywhere, including today with the temperatures running well above normal for this time of year and getting even warmer over the next couple of days. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, nice to see. Well, nothing out there, dry skies, clear and comfortable, no precipitation as the water levels along the Patuxent River continue to recede. We'll take a closer look at those numbers in just a second, but the warming trend continues on this St. Patrick's Day. Watching these afternoon sea breezes over the next several days, and while many locations will have no problem getting up into the 60s, it's right along the immediate shoreline, and it's usually very late in the afternoon. The sea breeze kicks in and it really knocks down the temperature. A good example was Newport, which warmed up beautifully this afternoon, only to really cool off late in the day with the sea breeze. Spring, the calendar version of spring, officially arrives on Saturday. Patuxent River now at minor flood stage. It's now only about a foot above flood stage, and it will go below flood stage by around noontime tomorrow. So the water levels continue to recede. Of course, at one point it was 6 feet above flood level. All right, downtown Providence, it's actually mild. I mean, readings are still at around 50. The winds are light. Humidity is nice and dry. That's a good sign. I mean, the sunshine this time of year is getting stronger. With these low humidity levels, it'll just accelerate the drying of the soil and all the muddy conditions around some of these flooded towns and cities. In your town right now, well, temperatures in most areas are in the mid to upper 40s, so a comfortable night. Look at the high temps today, upper 50s to even mid 60s in places like Taunton, Smithfield at 64. If anything, we may be a couple of degrees warmer for tomorrow afternoon, so a real weather treat on the way. Temperatures now in most spots at around 44 to 45 degrees. Westerlies at 46, as well as Newport, and looking good across the Connecticut coastline as well. You can see the satellite photo showing clear skies. Clouds to our north, pretty much staying away, so we're looking good as far as getting some more sunshine in here for tomorrow. And temperatures tonight, not as chilly as last night. In fact, waking up this morning to a little bit of frost. We'll stay above freezing, low to mid 40s by 5 o'clock in the morning. Another beautiful start to the day. Not as chilly as earlier this morning. Sunshine, kids heading out to school between 7 and 8:30, between 40 and 45. And then during the afternoon, picture perfect with lots of sunshine. Temperatures recovering to at least the mid 60s by around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Here it is, city by city and town by town. Even along the South Shore, very mild, upper 50s to around 60. But keep in mind, around say 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, the temperature really starts to drop as the sea breeze gets a little stronger. You go further inland and it's very mild. I mean, keep in mind the normal high is 49, so we're way above average here in the mid 60s with lots of sunshine. Beautiful on the Cape, just cooler mid and upper 50s. Taunton, Fall River, and New Bedford with readings in the 60s. And this spring warmth continues Friday and even Saturday with some sunshine. Sunday is sort of the transition day. Clouds will be on the increase. I think any rain will probably wait until either very late in the day, more than likely Sunday night. And that'll set up for, well, temperatures getting back to normal next week. Look how much cooler it is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with afternoon highs only in the upper 40s. So we'll be complaining by then after these 60-degree temperatures over the next several days. So looking good, and obviously good news here as far as all the cleanup that has to be done along some rivers around here. Sunshine and dry air, so good news in that regard.
That's good news and good weather for all our out-of-town guests.
There you go, and a lot of them, too.